I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up no.
Where? There it is. Your feet are gonna fry. I would think more people would be in the water. I've been sick. That is a very high tide. It's right there. It's right there. Usually we've got like a lot more room.
A lot more room.
We're here.
We are here. So we were just at the beach for an hour and we just kind of
We don't want to stay anymore. Yeah. We
we're
got
ready
to
go.
see dolphins, so that's
We're gonna
good.
swim and tan, might as well
Go
go
at
to
the pool. Yeah, where there's no
Where it's
one
not
else.
sandy.
Yeah, there's nobody else there.
Yeah.
Clear. We don't really know where we're going. Trying somewhere new. But yeah, we possibly could be lost. We don't really know where this is leading us to, but it's a nice route. We're good. We aren't lost. We're on the same path that we were before. So
We are found.
yes. What? Wait, what's the song? I was once, but now I'm fat. Oh, whatever.
I know we're about to have a good time. 'Cause I got all my friends with me. And I know everything's gonna be fine.
1 and 2, go.
Oh my god, I'm afraid for you.
Good job. She did it. Good luck, Jake.
See, if I was playing, I would have ruined it at the beginning. It's slow. Oh.
What if it just fell while he was doing that?
Had to put it on.
It
Yeah.
almost went.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Alright.
Oh god, don't
Not
do
even
it.
touching.
I was gonna put it.
It's my turn!
Oh my god.
It's balanced.
Max.
Oh, that might be an okay one.
Jake, look cool.
Oh.
Yeah, there's an alligator in it.
Don't.
Oh god.
Don't.
Head told.
Count to 3.
She said don't take a
Go again.
picture. I have to laugh.
Straight out quick.
Go.
Fast and quick.
Trolley everywhere.
Kelsey got an extra scoop. I don't really know why.
I have no
He
idea.
was like, what did he even say?
He was like, have you eaten a lot of your ice cream? And I was like, no, I can't eat it that fast. I thought it was going to make me pay for more. He was like, here, give it to me. You need an extra scoop. And I was like, okay.
We found an inchworm. It's very large.
That's very big.
That's a 2-inch worm.